Kudos to you, joining us to explore tasty food again.
What's up today?
Come, let's unbox and explore together.
又是美食开箱的时刻，那我们一起开动喽！
Oh yes, Japanese ramen. Nissin noodles, yummy.
Yeah, Nissin product again. Nissin Ramen in Tokyo Shoyu flavor, also known as premium bonito blend.
哇，这是家喻户晓的日清拉面，多年的老品牌咯。今天买来的日清出品是东京酱油口味的日本拉面。
There are 5 individual packets inside.
Inside each noodle packet, there got fish cake and veggie garnish. Seasoning oil. Seasoning powder. And noodles.
这是5包装的日清汤面，每包拉面里头都有一个面饼、调味粉、调味油和鱼板蔬菜。
Proceed to cooking now. Boil water.
While boiling water, I shall pick some veggies from my little garden to add onto my noodles serving. This is our homegrown komatsuna, or you may call it Japanese spinach.
在等水烧开的当，我们到屋外的小小种植天地摘几颗小松菜，充当配料吧。小松菜又称作日本油菜，种起来好疗愈的。
Cook for 4 minutes. Stir occasionally.
大概煮4分钟，偶尔搅动一下。
Almost done.
Time to add in my Japanese spinach into the Japanese ramen.
面条煮得差不多了，加入小松菜。
The standard serving required 500 milliliters of water, or you may add in water according to your preference.
只需要用500毫升的水，或者根据个人喜好加入适量的水也行啦。
Add the seasoning oil, seasoning powder, and garnish into the hot water.
把全部调味包和配料通通加进汤面中。
Hi, this is Hill. With me, there's Cerise. We're digital marketers.
Kudos2U is our hobby channel, mostly featuring our foodie journey and food review.
Don't miss our foodie sharing. Subscribe Kudos2U now to receive notification on new foodie videos.
Yeah, you need to click the subscribe button below, then click on the bell. Click all to receive first-hand update on new foodie video.
我们开动了。先尝尝味道。面条够嚼劲，又不会太软。
Freshly picked veggies, cooked and ate freshly. What a satisfying simple meal. The Tokyo Shoyu broth is rich in taste. Delicious. The ramen noodles is chewy, texture is just nice.
东京酱油口味的拉面用的是清淡口味的柴鱼汤，带有酱油的香气，加上现摘现煮的小松菜，简单又满足的填饱肚子了。
Overall, this Tokyo Shoyu Ramen tastes good.
A good choice to try out if you plan to store some instant noodles at home. The little pieces of fish cakes are so cute.
整体而言，这碗日清拉面好好吃，快熟面可以做到这水平，实属难得。这个小小的日式鱼板，看起来好可爱啊！
For Kudos score, out of 10 points.
9 points for Nissin Tokyo Shoyu Ramen. Kudos.
说到开动值，我们给日清的东京酱油拉面打个9分，那么哒。我们的频道专攻美食开箱与点评，各位吃货朋友们赶紧订阅这个频道哟。每周一起交流美食，分享好吃的，是很开心的事情来，所以你要订阅我的频道开动喽。那我们在下周的新影片再交流呗。
Remember to click subscribe button below.
With that, we shall see you again in our new video next week.
下周2见喽。